Welcome. As the leader in home drug testing, First Check offers a wide range of reliable and quality products to empower our customers. Our home drug tests are highly accurate and easy to use, with fast results in minutes. You can test with confidence, knowing that results are anonymous and private. Our instructional videos show you how to use your test correctly, how to read and confirm the results, and where to find additional resources. To use your First Check home drug test, just follow these easy steps. First, remove the test lid from the sealed foil pouch. If you are testing someone else, keep the lid in your possession. Next, remove the plastic wrapper from the collection cup. Fill the cup with urine to at least the minimum urine level line. Twist the lid securely onto the collection cup, making sure it's fastened tightly. Activate the test by tipping the collection cup on its side. Rest the test legs on a flat surface. The First Check logo should be facing up. You can read your results in 5 minutes, but don't wait longer than 10 minutes. A red or pink line must appear next to the word control to indicate that the test has worked correctly. If you don't see this line after 10 minutes, the results are invalid. You will need a new kit to test again. If you need help, call our confidential, toll-free helpline to talk to one of our customer care specialists. The phone number is printed on the instruction insert that came with your test kit. Your home drug test can only work effectively if the urine sample has not been tampered with, or if the person taking the test has not attempted to evade a positive test result. If the urine sample is cool in temperature or light in color, it is possible that it has been diluted with water or another substance. It is best to give the person you are testing only the cup portion of the test, and if possible, supervise the collection of urine. Your First Check home drug test will provide you with results in 5 minutes. When reading the results, keep in mind that seeing lines appear on the lid is desirable. You must see a line next to the word control to ensure the test has worked correctly. A red or pink line next to the word drug means that this drug was not detected by the test. This line may be lighter in color or thinner than the control line, but no matter how faint the line may be, any line next to the word drug indicates a negative result. A red or pink line next to the word control, but no line next to the word drug, means that the drug was detected with your home test. These positive results can be confirmed for free at our certified lab using the materials provided in your First Check kit. Some First Check kits test for multiple drugs using the same urine sample. For example, the complete First Check kit tests for 12 drugs, and the test lid has 6 test strips in total, with 2 drug names per strip. They are identified as Drug 1 and Drug 2. If you have 3 lines in a test strip column, you have received a negative result for both Drug 1 and Drug 2 on that strip. This means the drugs were not detected. If there is no line in the middle row, this indicates a preliminary positive result for Drug 2 on that strip. Match Drug 2 to the drug name indicated on that test strip. If there is no line in the bottom row, this indicates a preliminary positive result for Drug 1 on that strip. Match Drug 1 to the drug name indicated on that test strip. Be aware that certain over-the-counter or prescription medicines may cross-react with a home drug test and cause a preliminary positive result. You can see a complete list of substances that may cross-react with your test on our website, firstcheckfamily.com. First Check home drug tests can detect most drugs in urine within a few hours after the drug was used. This can vary depending on the type of drugs taken, the amount taken, the frequency of use, and the person's metabolism. Also, each drug is cleared by the body at different rates. Some drugs, such as marijuana, can stay in the body for up to several weeks after use. For a range of detection times for each drug, please visit our website at firstcheckfamily.com. First Check home drug tests are considered screening tests. While many First Check products are over 99% accurate, we recommend that all preliminary positive results be sent to our laboratory for confirmatory testing. At First Check, we offer free and confidential confirmatory testing of all preliminary positive results received in the home. The toxicology professionals in our state-of-the-art laboratory use the most sophisticated equipment and technology available to analyze drug test results. In cases where a drug is detected, we are able to determine the amount present in the person's system. To send your test to our lab, just follow these simple steps. Make sure the cap is securely fastened. Then, attach the top portion of the identification label to the collection cup. Put a check mark in the box next to the drug or drugs that gave a preliminary positive result. Attach the lower portion of the identification label to the designated spot on the instructions insert that came with your test and store it in a safe place. You'll need this label to get your results. Place the collection cup in the plastic transportation bag, then seal the bag and put it into the pre-addressed mailing box. Close the box and secure it with packing tape. Mail the sample as soon as possible after collection. The mailing box is not prepaid, so be sure to pay the appropriate shipping charge for the mail service you are using. Results are ready 5 to 7 days after the sample is received in our laboratory. You can get your results by calling 1-888-788-5716 or online at firstcheckfamily.com. Results are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You'll need to provide the identification number from the label you placed on your information sheet, so have it ready when you call or log in. Your name is not associated in any way with your test results. Be assured that all calls will remain strictly confidential. Some people use First Check home drug tests for themselves to feel confident going into a work-related drug test. In other cases, a parent uses the test to check for drug use in a child. Using our home drug test is the best and easiest way to get an honest answer to one of the most difficult questions facing parents today. Is my child using drugs? When talking about the issue of trust, make it clear to your child that you do trust them and that you are continuing to build trust with them. Just like verifying that curfew is met by waiting up and verifying good grades by looking at a report card, parents can verify that their children are not using drugs by implementing home drug testing. You may wish to tell your child that the drug testing kit is in your home because you love them and you want to give them support. Home drug testing gives your child an out if pressured by peers to use drugs. They can say, "I can't. My parents drug test me, and they will find out if I use drugs." Tell your child it's a real way to say no. Even good kids can sometimes make poor choices when it comes to experimenting with drugs and alcohol. A positive test indicates that your child has a certain drug in his or her system. But it does not indicate where, why, and how often it was obtained, and those are very important issues. A positive test moves you from the preventative testing stage to the intervention stage, and there are numerous places and organizations willing to help you. Retesting is an important step after receiving a positive drug test. Along with other interventions, we recommend regular, random testing to determine if drug use has stopped. Knowledge is power, and you can use your knowledge to get your loved ones back on track. First Check supports the nonprofit organization Not My Kid, whose mission is to empower and educate youth, families, and communities to identify and prevent negative youth behavior. Their substance abuse program provides a wealth of information about how to talk with children about drugs and drug tests, and what to do if you receive a positive result. The organization can provide suggestions for conversation starters and how to deal with difficult situations, such as what to do if a child feels mistrusted or refuses to take the test. We encourage you to visit their website at www.notmykid.org to learn more about the support they can provide individually and on a community level. For urgent assistance, their offices can be reached at 602-652-0163. At First Check, we support your right to know first if you or a loved one will test positive for drugs. Our goal is to help people live safer, healthier lives. By using our home drug test, you are taking an important step in that direction.